Hi, welcome back to 3D Printed Soup, the channel which is a cautionary tale to anyone who decides to name their channel after sitting in an unventilated room breathing in paint thinners. Don't do that, kids, it's bad for your brains. I love painting, talking about paint thinners, but I do tend to have tons and tons and tons of paint just flying around the place. And the place is an absolute mess. I mean, I've got paint everywhere. I've got pots of paint, I've got racks of paint. So, I need to get myself organised. What's the best way to do that? Paint racks. And am I going to buy paint racks from a shop? No, because I'm not an idiot. I'm going to print them myself and get myself an awesome, much tidier workstation. So, I went on Thingiverse and found myself some STL files that had really good paint racks. I'm going to print them out and see how they look. Links in the description below. Let's do this. I really need to start painting in a better ventilated room. Really well. I've got a lovely set of paint racks now. The laying went off slightly with the green bit, as you saw, so there's a slight line going across it, but structurally it's sound. these all clip in together. You've got all the little hole bits there where they all clip in nicely, and that is not going anywhere. And this is the 4x3, sorry, the 5x3, but you can get anything up to 8x6, so you can print out huge ones. I'm going to get that to try next and get all my paints on that, but for a start, this is really, really, really nice. Thank you for watching 3D Printed Soup. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me comments in the comment section below, and click the notification button so you find out when the next sporadic video I put up is put up. I do one a week, but it's in and out by a couple of days, so if you click the bell button, it'll tell you when it is. Once again, thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup.